Here gather all the new iPhone 11 and 11 Pros. We're summoning the 2020 iPhone leaks in this summoning circle. What's up, guys? Let's go ahead and unbox most of the colors of this year's iPhone lineup. I actually didn't get a couple, didn't get the black iPhone 11 standard and the iPhone 11 Pro in gold, not here. Otherwise, let's jump in, and I think this is one of the biggest hauls I've ever had on a new iPhone event. So let's finish unboxing the Pros. Now, one of these is mine. 512 gigabytes, and this is the Pro Max. Green obviously being my favorite color, and I've already taken a look inside once. I love the way it's presented, and the moment that light hits it, you see that frosted back, which feels amazing. I wonder how it'll hold up to scratches though. This definitely isn't a revolutionary cycle, but they did very well. So there's green. We haven't seen the white yet. Almost looks gold in this one. It has a beautiful way where the light hits it also. Man, it's like a pearly white almost. Beautiful. I love that finish. So I think white is definitely one of the most elegant colors on this. It suits it very well. I love the lens. Like, I never thought I'd say this, but I love the lens. I love that they gave it those thick borders. Something that the leaks didn't catch is that, you know, Apple wanted to accentuate it very well. And they left the inner portion of the lens transparent, whereas this is matte, and it gives it such a striking presence. You know right away that this is something new. So you see someone walking down the street holding this. Yeah, they're using the new iPhone 11 Pro. And we've got the Space Gray. So Space Gray takes on a new appearance. Apple already has so many variants of Space Gray, and this is the latest one. So I'd call this more of like a stealth bomber gray. Reminds me of the wrap on my car, and yeah, it's beautiful. Definitely not as dark as I envisioned. I love the inner portion on this color too. So there are those three, and unfortunately I'm missing gold, but so far, obviously the green I'm choosing because it's new. I always go for the new color, but I do like the white. It's very elegant. And we've got the iPhone 11s. So let me start with my favorite color. Actually, it's gonna be between one of these. We've got the purple. And I like that they went with simple colors. They didn't call it like lilac purple or lavender, just purple. The pastel color board here works very well on the budget end iPhone. This one looks great in Easter color. And I like that they reversed it. So the lens on the iPhone 11s is matte inside, exactly reversed with the 11 Pro here. And so there's that one, not enough room. Next up is green. And this is also a pastel. Beautiful. Oh man, this looks so much better in person actually. I love this color. I definitely think this will be a trend in phones nowadays. Very, very subtle notes, subtle colors, nothing too sharp. And we got yellow. Ooh, nice. So I'm a little sad to see coral go, but these are very nice replacements. This is a beautiful yellow, much more muted than last year's 10R. Works very well. And then we got white, which is more of an ivory. So it's not pure white. It's got some subtle tones in it, but it looks good. Man, Apple knows how to make a good looking phone, all right. Yeah, definitely not as futuristic feeling as the Pros. Just the aluminum borders versus the stainless steel, big difference in the feel. Although this will hold up to scratches better over time. Very simple Apple logo placement on the back. I love that. And the red. So product red. This one we've seen before. I wonder if it's any different. Oh yeah, actually that is. That looks a little bit different than last year's red on the 10R. I thought that this one would be the weirdest looking lens-wise. Looks pretty normal to me. Just got stacked and Apple moved this border over, or gave it a platter underneath it, just to keep it tied in with the Pros. Instantly, you know right away that you're using a new iPhone, even with this dual lens setup on the 11. So there are those. I'm also very excited to check out the titanium Apple Watch, which we should have in one of these. Yeah, titanium case. Oh man, this is like Christmas Day for an Apple fan. Santa has brought the goods. No, I actually had to buy every single one. Okay. And there's the band, which I do not like those. These should come bundled with a silicone band. Okay. And here's the titanium Apple Watch. Interesting finish. Ooh. Yeah, I mean, you can tell that it's like a polished, brushed metal here. It does feel a little bit lighter. I think officially they said 13% lighter. Cool. I just like knowing it's made out of one of the best materials on the planet. Titanium is my favorite, Series 5. And wow, so they have a new type of packaging, much more efficient for these bands. It comes with this very nice gray band for the titanium. And there's that one. So same processor as the Series 4, just that always on display. Cool, can't wait to get to know it. So there it is, and of course I've got an abundance of the green ones being my favorite color. Can't get too many of those. We're gonna be doing a giveaway, by the way, with Aaron from Mr. Who's the Boss. Just in case you forgot from the last video, the link will be down below, and we're giving away 4 iPhone 11s, 4 Pros to lucky winners, and we're gonna give one away from each different source. So make sure to follow all the instructions. Okay, otherwise there it is. Out of the 11s, I'd say favorite color, probably gonna have to be the green. This looks really, really good. And out of the Pros, actual favorite color, white, and I haven't seen the gold yet, so I can't say fully, but the green is cool just because it's new. I like the elegance of the white one, actually. And usually I don't like white iPhones. Cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to enter that giveaway down below and stay tuned for more. Peace.